For years, I dreaded summer because I never know what to wear. I am a fall girl through and through. But then I thought, what if my fall style is the key to figure out what to wear in the summertime? When it comes to my fall style, I really know what my personal style is and what pieces make me feel the best. But in the summer, I can't wear a lot of those pieces like trousers and sweaters, so I've felt a lot more lost. So in today's video, I wanted to do a little experiment where I translate some of my favorite fall outfits into summer versions. If this is successful, I will have created outfits that could be go-tos for summer that give me the same energy as my favorite fall looks. So today I'm going to take 5 of my favorite fall outfits and translate them into summer versions, and then I will decide whether or not I would wear them in real life or if there's more things I would need to change to make them feel more like my personal style. So for the first outfit, we have this guy here. And what I love about this outfit is the entire outfit is following this sort of warm neutral palette, and then we get the pop of green in the shoes, so it feels very unexpected, which is something I want to try and incorporate into my summer outfit. I also love the layering of a printed piece over a graphic tee. That's something I do a lot in the winter, and I feel like it adds a bit of dimension to the outfit. So when it came to the summer outfit, I thought I would start off with the base outfit and then figure out what shoes would pop with it. And so when I was putting together these pieces, I wanted to make sure they were weather appropriate, obviously, for hot weather, and then also that they worked well together. So I grabbed this linen shirt to create that layered effect and this Orla Gartland graphic tee because I think they work well together and I think they have a cohesive palette with the beige and the cream. And then to go with the Orla Gartland tee, I pulled in these navy cotton gauze pants because the blues matched almost perfectly. The original outfit was very cohesive, and so I really wanted the base outfit to also have that effect. And then for the shoes, because the whole outfit's very cool toned, I wanted the pop of color to be completely different, and so I did a sort of like warm toned brown. I feel like it's a good contrast to the cooler tones in the outfit. So overall, I feel like this was a success. The one thing I don't really love about this is there are so many cool tones that I feel like this outfit washes me out. When I'm creating an outfit, normally I'll usually mix warm tones and cool tones, but because of the way the original outfit was, I didn't think I could bring in any warm tones in the base outfit to get the same sort of feel as the original outfit in terms of the cohesion of the base. And so I think if I was to try this again, I would have to do it with warmer toned pieces and then figure out what the pop shoe would be. I think that's something I need to like think about in terms of my style, is like having more warm toned summer outfits. There's just not a lot out there. People don't want warm tones in the summer. They want, you know, cool pink and light blue and all these like pastels. So when I wear this outfit out into the world, I feel like even though it hit the brief for me and I basically accomplished everything I wanted to with this outfit, the fact that it's very cool toned overall would make me not want to reach for it because I feel very washed out when I wear all cool tones. I usually like to mix my cool tones with warmer tones because that's what I feel like looks best on me. And so I feel like this is not something I would wear, but it also gives me some knowledge because maybe now I stay away from more cool toned pieces in my summer wardrobe and stick to more warmer toned pieces because that's something that I wear a lot of in the fall and I don't have as many options in the summer. So for this next outfit, we have this guy. And I loved wearing this in the winter and spring because of the whimsical elements. There's a lot of softness and it just feels very ethereal to me. And I also love the mix of casual elements, the beanie, the boots. And finally, I love how it's layered. I like that there is a kind of chunky texture over this floral print. So when I first started creating this outfit, the first thing I wanted to was add a whimsical element, which is why I added this floral dress. However, the whimsical piece, like the fluttery sleeves, are covered by the overshirt, but you still get that like little cute dainty floral print, which I feel like adds to like the whimsical piece of it. And then I wanted to focus on the casual elements. So I added a baseball cap and my Eastland sandals to make sure that this was leaning very casual in the way that the original outfit was. Finally, I wanted to add that textured layer. So I added this mustard yellow button down with like hand painted stripes on it. And I feel like it's giving the mix of like texture and print that I really loved. So I feel like I was able to translate this one pretty well. So would I wear this in real life? I think that I would change a couple little things about it to go outside in it. And I think the first thing is the hat. In the outfit, the mustard top is actually a little bit darker in real life as opposed to the clip. And so I wanted to bring in a little more lightness with the blue baseball cap, but I just feel like the blue and the yellow are kind of fighting, and I want the look to feel a little more cohesive. And so I think I would have gone with like maybe a darker or more like yellow red toned hat to kind of match the outfit a little bit better. And overall, I just wish there were darker pieces in general that I could have used. The dress looks a lot lighter from far away. It's a burgundy blue and like a grayish white print, but you don't get as much of that dark red from far away or in the clip. There's just an element of dark saturated color that I feel like is missing from this. So those are just a couple of things that I would change before wearing this out. So the next outfit is this guy. I just love the soft silhouette that this has. It's very rounded. The arms of the sweater is very rounded. The pants are very rounded. It just has like a very soft overall silhouette. It's not very structured. I really love the saturation of the top and the bottom. I feel like they're both the same saturation, and I think that that makes it more kind of playful when they're the same bold saturation. Finally, I love the pop of print that comes from the bandana, and then it's all balanced out with the neutral accessories. So that's what we're going to try and accomplish for the summer look. Okay, so here is the summer look, and I think I was pretty successful in hitting all of the targets here. So we have the same exact color combination. The colors are a bit less saturated, but I feel like the top and the pants are the same saturation, which is what I wanted to accomplish. We have the pop of the bandana. I really like how the top and the bottom work together. I like the neutral accessories, and I like the pop of print here. So I think everything that I set out to try and accomplish with this summer look is successful. And now let's talk about if I'd wear it in real life. I definitely feel like this is something that I would wear in real life. The blue and green color combination is something that I really love to wear, and the bandana is actually like a lightweight organic cotton, so it's perfect for the summertime. It's not too heavy or thick on my neck, so that's great. The only thing that I'm thinking like maybe a tweak I would make is changing out the shoes for something a little more utilitarian, because I feel like the boots in the original outfit are very like rugged and casual, and the slingback flats are a little bit more like dainty. So I think maybe I would go for something just a bit more chunky if I was to wear it out in the world. So for this next outfit, we have a go-to outfit formula for me. I think this is going to be kind of an easy summer outfit to make because of a couple of reasons. One, I can use the skirt for the summer outfit as well. It's a pretty lightweight skirt. And also what I do when I create these fall outfits is I'll just take colors from the skirt and then pick other colors in my wardrobe that match back to the skirt, and that creates the outfit. So I think that's going to be the strategy for the summer outfit as well. So I ended up using the same skirt in my summer version and then doing the same thing, just taking the colors from the skirt and pulling pieces that go back to the colors in the skirt to create what I consider to be a cohesive outfit. And so this was the final outfit that I came up with. It is that original skirt. I have a little white crop top and then a short sleeve linen button down over the top with just some fisherman sandals. I think this incorporates the colors from the skirt, which are white and blue. And then I also feel like it has that layering effect that the original from the fall had. And it just feels like a summer version, you know, it has a short sleeve, it's in lighter fabrics and lighter colors. So what I'm noticing from most of these summer looks is the thing that's kind of throwing me off every time I'm looking back at it and considering whether I would wear it right now is the lack of darkness. I have so much lightly colored clothing for the summer that I just don't have that like contrast that I feel like is an integral part of my fall wardrobe. I'm missing like dark chocolatey browns and burgundy. Like I love burgundy and I would wear burgundy all year round, but it doesn't feel very seasonally appropriate. Brands are rarely offering sort of these darker tones. I think even like a terracotta color or like a deep rose color would be really useful in creating contrast in sort of outfits like this. So as for the skirt outfit, if I'd wear it in real life, I think I would, but I would switch out the short sleeve t-shirt. I actually wore this exact outfit with this green button-down camp shirt over the top, and I was gonna style it with this outfit today, but it's dirty, it's in the laundry. I think I would do the one that I actually wore out in real life instead of this blue one, just because it does have that contrast that I'm really looking for. Speaking of contrast, let's talk about this outfit. This is basically only cute because of the contrast. I really love the little like dark light, dark sandwich happening with the sweater, the pants, and the shoes. And so I'm hoping to accomplish something similar in today's outfit. I am wearing also a printed baseball cap, which I'm going to include in the summer outfit because I think that's an easy swap. Just take it from winter and put it into summer because baseball caps are appropriate all year round. And I think it gives this outfit the pop of print that I think it needs. Another thing to keep in mind is all the proportions are pretty loose, which I think kind of gives it like that softness that I'm always looking for in my outfits. And I also feel like it has a bit of the wrong shoe moment going on where the sweater and the pants are very like utilitarian, textured, kind of oversized. The hat is very casual, and then the shoes are quite delicate and soft. And the flats are also something I'm going to incorporate into the summer version because I think that's an easy swap from fall to summer. So here is the summer version. I focused on contrast and of course incorporating the accessories that I felt like could easily be translated from fall to summer. And then we have the green button-down shirt with the loose Izzy silhouette over those high-waisted linen pants. A bit of a leaner silhouette than the fall pants, but I feel like give a similar aesthetic and looseness. So I feel like overall this gives a similar look to the fall outfit in terms of the contrast, the overall silhouette, and the use of accessories. I actually like this outfit a lot more than I thought I was. I wasn't sure how the top and pants were gonna translate from the original to this summer version, and I think it's pretty successful. I do wish the pants were maybe a little more structured. I think that's what I'm missing in a lot of my summer outfits. The original pants were like denim, and so these are linen, so they're a bit softer, but I feel like I wouldn't be wanting to wear something super structured in the summer anyway. So I think this is a good compromise in terms of what I actually want to wear versus what's appropriate for the weather. So would I wear this outfit into the world? I think I would. I really like all of the parts of it. I like the colors. I like the pop of print. I like all the things that I liked about the fall outfit. I think this was a really good translation. So I was talking about missing the contrast in so many of my outfits, and in this last outfit I had it, and I liked this one probably the best. So that just tells me that contrast is really important. And if I am looking to add things to my summer wardrobe, that I should focus on adding colors that are deeper and darker to allow for summertime contrast. So to wrap up, I think that if you are thinking about translating outfits from fall to summer, starting with color schemes that you know and love is a great way to translate something that you love in fall into something you love in the summer. Another thing that I think is helpful when translating things from fall to summer is thinking about the styling techniques and the different elements of the outfit that you like. Is it the layering? Is it the texture mixing? Is it the print mixing? Is it the silhouette? Is it the proportion? Like, figure out what you love about the fall outfit and let those be the main points that you're looking to recreate, because it's going to be impossible for you to take the sweater, pants, boots outfit and make it exactly the same thing in the summer, because you just can't wear those same pieces. So choosing like 2 or 3 things like layering and proportion, focusing on those as what you want the essence of the outfit to look like, then you're able to make it feel like a success a lot easier than if you're trying to exactly make something from the fall into a summer outfit. Next, I would say if you do have items that are in your favorite fall outfits that you can wear into the summer, start with those. Let that be the main easy piece that you can just grab and translate to that new outfit, because it's going to make picking the other pieces a bit easier because you have these constraints based on whatever you already selected. It'll automatically make that new outfit feel similar to the old outfit. So which transformation did you guys like the best? I would love to know in the comments down below. And if you're a fall girly like me, let me know if you're thinking about translating your favorite fall outfits into summer looks, and make sure you tag me so I can check it out. If you enjoyed this and you want to see more like it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss anything from me, make sure to subscribe. It really helps my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, you might also like my video where I give my tips for how to create Pinterest-worthy outfits without buying any new clothes. So I will link that here and see you guys in the next one. Bye!